Sir, may I please make a statement to that effect? Ito na rin, sir, na natatanong.
Your statement is connected
Very
with the...
very short, sir. Connected to
with
this
the
question.
Okay, please proceed.
Sir, as you all know, I'm the officer in charge now of the Philippine National Police. There is no doubt that we are all for the peace process. Because first and foremost, we are peacekeepers. We are your peacekeepers. Wala hong ibang gugusto ng katahimikan kundi kami. Alam namin, alam ng AFP, ang price to pay for war. Pero sir, we seek for very clear answers.
General, take your time. Yeah.
We
Take
seek
your time.
for clear answers from the other party of the peace process. The following. Ano ba tong overkill na to na ginawa niyo sa mga tao ko? Ako, hindi ako nakatulog kagabi nung nalaman ko yung medical legal report. Si Inspector Tyros, si Inspector Pabalina did not suffer any lethal shots. Nagtinamaan sila sa paa lang. Ganon din yung PNC yung isa. Paanong namatayan? Yung isa, binaril nyo sa ulo eh. Buhay na buhay pa yung tao eh. Yung isa, hinuparan nyo ng bulletproof niya eh. Binaril nyo sa katawan niya eh. Yung isa, 9mm sa ulo niya. Dalawang fatal shots. Hindi po pwede nag-suicide yung tao. Dahil in the face of so many enemies, kasi 9mm, close range yun. Short firearm yun. Nakita na eh. Ito lang po ang gusto kong tanong eh. Nakita nyo na, SAF yan eh. Kahit anong violation pa yan, kahit na po sinabi nating walang coordination, etc., kahit na sabihin pa ho natin, sino una nagpaputok? Kausap yan eh, sa usaping pangkatahimikan, peace talks. Bakit nyo pininis yung mga tao? 44 yan eh. Tatatlo pa lang ho yung sinasabi ko eh. 20 others were all with headshots. Hindi pa ho kami tapos dun sa pagtatanong ko eh, sa medical legal namin. You know, Your Honors, wala. Ito pong mga taong ito, simpleng mga tao lang ito eh. Kinuha yung isang kriminal. Legal na operasyon. Tatanungin pa ba natin kung legal pa po ba yan? Terorista yan eh. Kriminal yan eh. Nagpapasabog. Dami ng pinatay niyan eh. Tapos you will blame coordination. Bakit to justify the killing of my people after fully knowing them? That they are from SAP, they are from government. Mind you, we're all for peace. Walang ibang magsasalita dito para sa mga tao kundi ako. Wala pong ibang inaasahan itong namatay nitong 44 kundi po tayong lahat. Bigyan naman natin ng hustisya. At magpakatotoo sana tayo rito. Hindi ho po pwedeng laging ganito. I seek answers for my people. So that when I die and when my time comes, that I have to face them, at least I can say something. It is always sweet to die for this country. Itong mga taong ito will always be there in your front and say, mission accomplished po. Sana nga ako, sinasabi ko, kasama na ako dun eh. Personal eh. So that I can lie down before you and tell you, salute mission accomplished. Pero po, inuulit po namin, kami sa Philippine National Police, we are all for peace. Sagutin nyo lang po ako so that when we face each other all in heaven, I can tell them what happened. My men, I tell you, buhay na buhayan. Hindi nyo man lang pinauwi. Kasama ng kanyang mga anak. Dapat fair play lang ho lahat. That's what I want. That's what I request. Fairness and justice for my men. Maraming salamat po.